Hi, my name's Jeff Thomas from Team Glue. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit more about turning each no into a yes. As we talked about in the last video, there's 3 steps to getting a great grade in your class. Step 1 is, of course, go through all the material that you're assigned. Go to the lecture, read the textbook, do any homework, study anything you have to study. As you're doing that, you want to take simple notes on anything that you find difficult or important. Step 2, you want to go through that list of everything that you think is difficult or important and say, yes, I get it now. No, I really need to study this some more. Then step 3 is go through your list of no's and then turn those no's into yeses. So there's a few techniques that you can use to turn a no into a yes once you realize that a no is a no. One thing you can do is you can hire a tutor. This, of course, is time consuming and it's expensive, but it's going to get you effective results. Anything that you find difficult, just go over with the tutor. They'll be able to explain to you exactly what you're doing wrong, why you're having trouble understanding it, and get it from a no to a yes. Additionally, you can read it in the textbook, figure out exactly what you're missing, and turn it into a yes or a no. The next thing you can do is attend a professor's office hours. Professors, of course, understand the material and they'll be able to explain it to you on one-on-one and help you understand it. Another thing you can do is just ask us. If you see below, we have a free offer below. Ask us anything that's a no right now for you and we're going to get you a video on exactly how to do it. So hopefully this helps and we're going to get you the best grades you possibly can ever get. Stay tuned to our next video and we're going to show you the easiest way to do all of this. Thank you so much and see you next time.